channel, and today we're going to be playing 5-Second Rule Junior. And how you work with is you have a card, one of these cards, cheekies. Yep, they're cards. And you have to name 3 things that are someone. Let's say you have to name 3 things that are in a bathroom. You would say in 5 seconds, a bathtub, a sink,
washcloth.
Exactly, but you have a timer, like set for 5 seconds. You gotta go fast.
We don't have a timer.
You don't have timers, or Mom?
I'm gonna use my fingers.
Yep, you use your fingers, and we're gonna be switching turns every round. So we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Rock, paper, scissors.
Chopped me up.
Okay, I won. So she's gonna ask me which one to go. We're gonna start out easy, and then we're gonna get hard.
I'm gonna ask you things first.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I'm on the wrong side.
Oh. Name 3 things you dip in ketchup.
Chicken, popcorn chicken, French fries.
You didn't say chicken and popcorn chicken. That's the same thing.
I know. I was in a rush.
What about corn dogs?
I forgot.
Okay.
Oh, also, we aren't playing it the right way because we lost some stuff. You're supposed to have a board and some dice, see how far you can go. But we lost all the pieces, almost all. We still have these, but we just lost the dice. Okay, now I'm gonna ask you. Okay, this is easy. Name 3 things that bounce.
Balls. What else bounces? I don't even know what else bounces.
I was gonna say a rabbit, a kangaroo,
Oh.
and a bouncy ball.
This is hard. So much pressure on my brain. 5 seconds.
Okay,
It's also hard to count down and think at the same time.
so right now it's 0 to 0. We're gonna keep track actually because we can always remember how brains know. Okay, your turn.
Okay.
That's me.
Name 3 books.
The Last Firehawk, Mayhem. That's all I can get. That's all the books I can remember. There's the 2 books that I really like. I forgot.
I'm sticking up on one side. Does it look like it to you?
No, it doesn't really. Mom always scared me about her hair. I didn't even brush my hair before this video. Hey! Well, I do have a knot back here.
Are you going to be the 5-second counter downer for me?
Yeah. Now I'm gonna go do something. Okay, I'm gonna give me luck. I'll tell you when to stop because I need to get ready. Name 3 reasons to have a parade.
A holiday, a birthday, and graduation.
Oh, you got a point.
I want a birthday parade. That's a quarantine type thing. The
Yeah.
graduation and birthday parades.
Yeah, since it is quarantine 2020.
That's where everyone's having their birthday party.
But it's so sad. I'm in 0 season 1. We are not tied anymore. Okay. Now she's gonna ask me the question. Okay. So far, it's going interesting.
Name 3 things you can do in art class.
Draw, paint, and dots.
That's good.
Dots. I didn't remember, so I just said dots because I remembered an
Is that
artist.
art? Yeah. 1 to 1.
Okay, we're still tied over here. Fine. Wait, I just saw one word. Okay, I I really don't know why. I always think that the red side's supposed to be the hard side. But it's like, every time. I'm going to ask you this. You're going to
Okay.
get a clip of this. I'm going to pull it. Because you know this really useful.
Don't forget my 5 seconds.
Oh yeah, 5 seconds. Name 3 jobs.
Jobs? Oh, garbage man, software engineer, teacher.
You got 2 points! I'm really bad at this game because every time I just can't. I'm rushed over here. I'm not rushed, I just am nervous. Okay, Mom, it's your turn.
Alright. Name 3 weather conditions.
Rain, sunny, cloudy.
Good.
We're still tied. It might be tied at the end of this video.
2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2,
2-2.
2, 2, 2.
Okay. Hole in the box.
You like it?
There's a hole in the box.
This is Alexis. Hi.
Oh yeah, it is my dog, Alexi. You didn't know. Well, she already said it, but so about her, she's only 14 years old. Okay, get back
Only.
to me. Right now, her birthday's in March. Now it's time to card. Okay. Okay, you're giving me it. I'm so nervous. Okay.
Oh, it's my turn to ask you. What I just asked you? No, you asked me. I remember. Okay. Name 3 shiny things.
Gold, silver, and metal.
Yeah,
Yeah,
some metal. I guess metal shiny.
it is. And Alexis's collar is kind of shiny.
Alexis
Stitch. Okay.
How many more are we gonna do?
You're gonna give. So I'm gonna give you one more, and then we're gonna go through that and make stuff up, and then if we're still tied, then how we want?
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna give you.
First 1 to 7 wins.
Wait, what?
First 1 to 7 wins.
We're literally at 2, 3.
First 1 to 5.
Okay,
Okay.
but we're gonna give it a shot because can't do first one 5. Because we gotta have both of our turns.
Oh, good point.
So if we're gonna go last, and whoever got to
If we get to 5 and the other person doesn't make theirs.
yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Oh, I'm nervous. I'm also really interested.
How many do I have? 3?
You have.
Or do you have? What's the score?
We both have 2. You have 3, and I have 2 because I didn't go yet.
Okay.
Oh, I did go. I got it.
Did I get it?
Oh, you not your turn yet.
Oh, I
So
have
it's
my
on-
turn. I don't know what's
I
happening.
lost my track again. Okay, back to this. Name
Okay.
3 things that swim.
3 things that swim.
Yeah.
Oh, fish, turtles, dolphins.
We're tied. I don't know if this is going to be a tie or not. Okay, make them up. We're
Okay.
make up now.
Oh, we're in the makeup round? Make things up? Oh no. Okay. Name 3 things that are green.
Grass, trees, and bushes.
Okay.
That one's really easy for me. Name 3 kinds of dog breeds.
Oh geez. Miniature pinscher, basset hound, and cavapoo. Cavalier,
I was thinking you were going to say Chihuahua.
King Charles Cavalier, Spaniel, and Poodle.
I thought you were going to say Chihuahua.
Okay.
You left my
She's
breed
hurt.
out.
She's crushed. She won't even look at me now.
Okay.
So we're tied again.
Yeah.
Oh wait, no. Now you have. Yes, we're tied again. I'm so confused.
Now,
What number are we on? 4 to 4?
no, 3. I think it's 3. Yeah, right now it's 3.
3 to 3?
I forgot. Let's just say 3.
Oh,
Might be 60 rounds.
We don't even know.
I lost
What
track.
number are we on? Okay, we'll start with 3 to 3. So this is our chance to make 4 to 4. Okay. Name 3 things.
She lost it. Wait.
Name 3 movies.
Captain Marvel, Supergirl. No. I think she's gonna win.
Here we
Wait.
go. No, we're only at 4. You got a message? That's okay.
Okay, I think she's gonna win. I cannot catch up with that. Oh my goodness. That was bad. I'm gonna give you a hard.
Okay.
Name 3.
Forget my 5 seconds.
Oh yeah, I remember. Thanks. This is hard for me. Be right back when I figure it out. Back. Since I couldn't think of anything, I'm gonna use a card. Okay. Oh my goodness, I got the same one.
Oh my goodness!
I'll take these ones. Oh, I don't think you remember this movie.
Okay.
Name 3 Smurfs.
Papa Smurf, Brainy Smurf, and Girly Smurf.
It was right. None of those are
Yes,
right.
they were. Papa and Brainy are right, but I don't remember the girl's name.
And Girly and Smurf. Girly Smurf. Okay.
Alright, so still 3 to 3.
But now we're kind of on the 4th round. And after, if we get tied in this round, then it's a tie because we just had the 4th round.
Okay.
Or
So
6th.
this is the last round, and it could be a tie.
It could be tie
Okay.
again. Let's see.
Does that mean I can use a card again? Because cards are easier.
We both forgot what we were going to do. Let's
Okay.
get back to cards.
Name 3 places you hide during hide and seek.
Your closet, the kitchen, and backyard.
Good job.
I was just on timing. Just on timing. Okay. But as a closet, and if you have a small closet, I don't think it's a good idea. It squishes. I have a kind of a big closet. Me and my sister kind of have a big or small.
It's actually not that big.
It really isn't that big. You just gotta have at
And
least
it's so full
some
of toys, you'd be like,
Oh,
maybe you blend right in.
Yeah.
Alright,
Okay.
what you got for me?
I'm gonna close my eyes and see where I picked up. I can swim again. This is not gonna be easy if I can swim again.
Stop picking it up.
Let's see. Ooh. Wait, how many points do I have?
You have 4.
Ooh.
This is our last round, so we're trying to see if I'm gonna get 4 also, or if I'm done.
Oh, that seems easy.
Alright, let's see.
It's really easy.
Good, make it tight. Don't forget the fuss.
There's 3 things you do before bed.
Brush your teeth, read, and put on pajamas.
You didn't say you did not. Surprise.
What?
You know. Mom. Go to the bathroom.
Go pee. That was a good one.
Let's go to the bathroom.
I
You
know.
forgot the most.
I do that so many. I do that before bed, after bed. It doesn't matter.
You don't read before you go to bed. Some of you people do. But really, you have to.
Well, it's a nice thing to do.
It is nice.
Helps you go get more tired.
Yeah. Okay.
That was fun.
So we're tied, but we're gonna see if no, that's not. I messed up my words. Okay, that was fun today. But before we go, I want to ask you a question. Wait, listen. I'm really forgetting my words.
What question? You can ask them a 5-second rule.
I'm gonna ask them. You have a timer?
I'll have to we'll trust them that they got it in 5 seconds.
I'll ask them.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll ask them. Okay, I'm gonna ask you a 5-second rule, and you don't have to do this 5-second rule if you don't want to, but you can. So the 5-second rule question is. Oh, by the way, before I say it, please go make sure you have a timer or use your hand like you were doing. Okay, here it is. Okay, let me get it. Grab a card. I don't know if most of you have these. They probably do. I'm not sure if you have ours. Figure it out. Oh, that'd be a little tough, but I'll give you the back one. Name 3 things you do. Oh wait. Actually, before I start, if you have a timer already, you have to use my hand because I think I'm gonna use the hand just in case. You have to use my hand. You can go with your own timer. It doesn't matter. Let's get back to what we were doing. Okay, name 3 Halloween costumes. Okay, so that was it for today. By the way, tell us in the comments if you did it in 5 seconds. And I hope you liked this video. So give it a big thumbs up if you did. Like, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell.